Good afternoon everybody, it's Kelly Driver here and welcome to my art channel. I'm very happy to have you here with me today. You'll have to excuse my husky voice. I have a horrible cough at the moment, so I'm hoping it's not going to cramp my style while I'm doing this video today, having a coughing attack in the middle of it. Anyway, today I'm going to do a small canvas. It's actually got a frame with it, so it's I've decided to do it's going to be a bloom, and I'm going to try not to let it go over the sides too much, like on over here, kind of the flow over. I'd like it to stay on the canvas and for there to be a fair amount of negative space. I'm doing a very, very pale pink background with some pinks and greys on top, so it should be really pretty and will look gorgeous once I put it in the oak timber frame. So let's paint. So this is what the back of my canvases look like. Normally they don't have the wire on them, but today, because it comes with a lovely frame, I've marked on here the top and the bottom, and there were screw marks in there, so I'll know where to put it back in again. So I have to make sure that the composition of my painting will look good to come out with this being the top and this being the bottom. So fingers crossed I can do that correctly. Okay, so the base colour that I'm going to use today is a mixture of light rose and titanium white, and then I've got a variety of pinks and greys to put on top. Okay, let's begin. So we'll first of all put on my very pale pink. And we'll blow that out. That's beautiful, soft and lovely colour, so pretty. So just it's got that glass-like finish, which is exactly what I need, what I want. So that's perfect. We have a perfect base. If you've got a perfect base, then you should be set on the top. Now I have to decide whether to do one puddle or two. I'm going to do two because I want to blow it out in 4 ways. I want it to, so I'm going to do 2 puddles. Let's cross our fingers that this all works. Color is amazing. That one's called quinacridone rose. So cool. That was the Persian rose. Do this one with a paddle pop stick. Let's see what happens with that. Fun. And we'll put the gold on top. This is the Pebeo iridescent. Oh, that's a big bubble. Okay. So exciting. So exciting. So I'll put the mixed up colour over the top here to flood the canvas so the paint will flow beautifully. that's good. Now I'm going to blow the colours over. Well, this is very bizarre. I've got an empty spot in the middle. Oh, I don't like this at all. I wonder where all the colour is on this side. It's all in there. And I've let it run over the sides there. What am I going to do to make this work? I think I need to put another puddle over here, don't you think? So, yeah, let's just do another puddle because this is not what I wanted at all. I think I'm going to have to just blow this to make it come together. I'll have to blow. at this, the lacing down here. Isn't it fabulous? Really great. So that gold is pretty magnificent. I'll be very interested to see how it dries. The Pebeo gold, iridescent gold. Anyway, thank you very much for watching today on my little 30 by 30 square canvas. I think it will look very pretty when I put it in the oak frame. And thank you for supporting my channel. I'm Kelly Driver, and I will see you next time. Bye.